Hey there, Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. This is for you in case you're feeling really lonely and your heart is feeling sad, broken, down this holiday season. So there's a special way you can use TAT. The TAT pose is this part of the whole process. So I'll walk you through some things that I think could help you. So the first thing we do is the heart pose. That's whichever palm over the other that you like. You put your hands like this over your heart chakra. That means near your heart, but midline. And we'll make this intention for you. This healing's on behalf of you, your whole family, all your ancestors, your conscious and subconscious mind. All the parts of you, all the points of view you've ever been identified with, for all beings involved and all beings who'd like to benefit. And it'll happen in a way that's safe and easy. So you probably have things that you hear over and over. So I'll show you this, what you can do, and I'll just make up some things that you might be hearing, and then we'll go through this together. So do the TAT pose. That's thumb and ring finger, lightly touching above the upper inner corner of each eye, and your middle finger goes just above eyebrow level, in between your eyebrows, midline, and your other hand goes at the base of your skull, with your thumb just above your hairline, okay? Yeah. So do the TAT pose, and I'm just going to be saying opposites to you, and all you do is listen to them, and this may free up a bunch of the stuckness of what you find yourself in. Okay, so we'll do the pose, whichever hand in front that you like. Okay, I'm lonely and this will never change. I'm lonely and it's possible this will change. Even though I've been lonely, it's possible this can change. My heart feels so disconnected, lonely, and sad. My heart feels connected and happy. It's possible for my heart to feel connected and happy. No one cares about me. There is someone who cares about me. There are people who care about me. The divine cares about me. God cares about me. I'll never feel loved. It's possible for me to feel loved. I feel loved right now. Even just a little bit, I feel loved right now. I can't even like or love myself. I like and love myself. It's possible for me to like and love myself. So, any thoughts you have that are hurting your feelings that are like that, you can do the pose and say it to yourself exactly as you're hearing it, and then say just the opposite. And if you feel like, oh, the opposite's just too much, you can say it's possible that, and then say the opposite. So even if you feel like, well, 1 in a million chance possible, you can still say it's possible as you do the TAT pose. And we'll do another couple steps. So these are the steps, couple of the steps of TAT. So do the pose. And we'll just take everything that you're thinking, feeling, and that's what we're calling this as we work together, okay? Everything that led up to my resonating, identifying, and connecting with this happened. And we don't need to know what any of it was. I'll say it again. Everything that led up to my resonating, identifying, and connecting with this happened. All that happened, it's over. And I no longer resonate, identify, or connect with any of this. It's possible for me to feel loved and connected. I see myself feeling loved and connected right now. I really hope this helps you have more happiness right now and always. Thank you for listening and see you next time.